some of the best parts of the holidays, those great over-the-top meals, but sometimes those meals can leave you overstuffed and feeling, well, a little guilty. Nick Wernimont is the founder of Factor 75, a healthy meal delivery service. Nick, good to see you.
Likewise. Thanks for having me
here. And you've got some tips on how we can kind of get through Christmas Day and other holiday festivities without really going overboard, and how you get through it, right?
Yeah. You know, so make the most of the holidays and not have to feel like you went a few rounds with Santa the night before.
Exactly.
You know, a few things you can do. Start the day off.
Yeah. What do you breakfast?
Yeah,
right?
breakfast. So breakfast, you know, everybody knows breakfast champions.
Yep.
But it is really important, you know, just to kickstart your metabolism, and so that you know, your mind function is improved. We get some protein, so you want to have a nice, well-rounded breakfast.
Okay, what do you got here?
We got some quinoa crusted quiche. This one with turkey sausage. This is with spinach and feta. You know, some grapes, a side of sweet potato hash browns.
Looks
So
good.
these are a few meals that we offer, you know, that we make. You can get delivered, and a nice, well-rounded breakfast.
Some people might think, I'm not going to eat until the big dinner and I'll save up. Doesn't work so well.
Yeah,
right?
bad idea. You know, you go to the table famished, you're going to end up stuffing yourself, and you go into a food coma, and you're going to regret the day before, the day after, and ongoing.
I've been there. Okay. Now we have some alcohol products here. A lot of times that's a big part of the festivities. How do you navigate that?
Yeah, well, you know, depending on the in-laws is how much you're probably going to drink, and what's always most important is that you're going to switch it up with your wine in a glass of water or a cocktail glass of water. Drink water during the day. It's the bottom line. Is if you just go straight booze the whole day, you're definitely going to feel it the next morning. So mix it up with some water, and you'll be feeling a lot better.
So you're telling me is drink heavily, but just make sure water is the main portion of that. So
yeah, mix it up.
Half, you know. And you got some nice veggies here. You got to remember to hit the veggies, right?
Yeah, for snacks. You know, if you're going to be snacking during the day, so you don't sit down for Christmas dinner famished and overeat. You know, it's good to eat every couple hours. And you know, veggies are good. We got some hummus. Any type of snacks like that, you know, will keep you so when you don't sit down, you're not going to overeat.
And probably a better choice than the peanuts and the cheese, right? The broccoli and the carrots.
Yeah, you know, sugar cookies is one of my favorites, but you know, it's Christmas, so do what you like.
All right. Well, and then the other part of the plan, and you were just telling me about this before we came on, is the idea: once you've consumed the meal, don't park yourself on the couch. Right?
Yeah, well, you're going to feel a lot better if you're able to do some type of activity. You know, get some circulation going. You'll enjoy it more. It can be as easy as just taking a walk with the family. You know, there's a jump rope. If you got one of those around the house, playing some football with the kids. Whatever you enjoy doing, you know, at the end of the day, you'll feel better for it. Get your blood circulating, and you'll feel better that night to have more drinks, maybe, if you want.
Keep moving. Very good. Nick, very nice. Any final words for our audience today?
Well, have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for having me on. And I'll leave them with a little side bit here. Merry Christmas.
Very nice. Nick Wernimont from Factor 75. Thanks for being here, pal.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas to you.
Likewise.
All right, back to you guys.
I almost got John that hat for Christmas.
Wow.